Pickle making is a therapy for me. I love making and eating pickles. One thing you'll all agree with me is nothing can beat a pickle that is homemade. Let's make some Goan lemon sweet pickle today. It is sweet, sour, spicy, has all the flavors and so delicious. All you have to do is take around 10 to 12 medium-sized lemon, soak them in hot water and set it aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, drain all the water from the lemon and with a clean cloth, wipe the lemon to get rid of all the moisture and water content on the lemon. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing it and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Once you get rid of all the moisture from the lemon, cut the lemon, de-seed them. Firstly, cut the lemons in wedges and make 2 parts of the wedges. Finish cutting all the lemons in the same way. I have few pickle recipes uploaded on my channel. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Please do check it out and try it. And let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Once the lemons are cut, season them with salt. Mix the salt with lemon by tossing them. Don't use the spoon for it. Cover it and let it sit for 24 hours. While the lemons are marinating, toss them at regular intervals, cover it and set it aside. Once the lemons are marinated for a day, toss them again and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Mix it with a spatula and set it aside. For the masala, we'll need around 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Peel it and set it aside. We'll need some more garlic to add in the pickle. Chop around 20 to 25 garlic cloves. Set it aside for later use. In a mixer grinder, grind around 15 to 20 Kashmiri red chilies and grind it to a coarse powder. Into the grounded chili powder, add the peeled garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger. Grind the masala to a fine paste by using the palm vinegar, around 1 cup of palm vinegar. Add the vinegar little at a time. Next is, in a pot, heat around 3/4 cup of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, throw in your curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of hing along with the chopped garlic. Saute the garlic for a minute. Once the garlic is sauteed, add the grounded masala. Mix the masala with the garlic until well combined. Once the masala is mixed well, clean the mixture jar with 1/4 cup of palm vinegar and add it to the pot. Saute the masala for a minute and then add 1 cup of Palm Jaggery and the marinated lemon. Mix everything until well combined. Once everything is mixed together, taste the masala. If needed, season your pickle with salt and cook it on a very low flame for 40 to 50 minutes. Don't forget to give it a stir in between. Once the pickle is ready, let it cool down completely at room temperature. Once the pickle is cooled down completely, store it in a sterilized glass container and enjoy it after a week. Eat homemade and stay healthy. Bye bye. God bless.